Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into credit cards, a smart tool or silent trap. Let's find out. Credit cards are powerful. For some, they act as a smart tool helping track expenses, earn rewards and build credit history. For others, they silently become a trap, piling up debt, late fees and stress. In this video, we'll explore everything around credit cards. How spending habits shape outcomes, how banks earn, precautions you must know, what credit scores mean, who benefits most, how many cards are enough, the pros and cons, and finally, a powerful thought to close. Your credit card doesn't change who you are. It simply magnifies your habits. Think about it. If you're disciplined, you swipe for essentials, pay the bill in full, and enjoy rewards without stress. The card becomes a smart tool that works for you. But if you are impulsive, every small swipe feels harmless. A coffee here, a gadget there, until the bill arrives. Suddenly, those little spends add up and late fees or interest start eating into your pocket. The same card that gave convenience now feels like a burden. Spending habits decide whether the card is your friend or your enemy. It's not about the plastic in your wallet. It's about the choices you make with it. Good habits turn the card into leverage. Bad habits turn it into debt. That's why habits are the real game changer. Ever wondered why banks are so eager to hand out credit cards? It's not charity. They earn through interest on unpaid balances, annual fees, merchant charges, and late penalties. Every swipe is part of their business model. Understanding this helps you see the bigger picture. Banks profit when discipline slips. Precautions are simple but powerful. Pay before the due date, not just to avoid interest, but to build reliability. Keep usage below 30% of your limit. It shows banks you're in control. Track expenses regularly, because small swipes add up faster than you think. These practices keep you safe and respected in the financial system. If this content feels valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps keep financial education flowing. Now from precautions, we move to the score that opens or closes doors. Comment below if you've ever missed a card payment. Let's see how common it really is. Your credit score is like a financial report card. A poor score shuts doors, banks hesitate to lend. A good score opens them. You're seen as reliable. An excellent score puts you in the premium category. Faster approvals, better offers, and VIP treatment. In India, 750 plus is strong and 800 plus is excellent. Not everyone needs a card, but some benefit the most. Young professionals can build credit early, travelers enjoy rewards and lounge access, and disciplined spenders gain the most by paying in full. For these groups, a card isn't just convenience, it's opportunity. One card is enough for most people. It covers basic needs. Two cards give balance and flexibility, like separating personal and travel expenses. More than three? That often increases risk, unless managed with expertise. The number of cards should match your ability to control them. Every coin has two sides, and so do credit cards. On the bright side, they build credit history, offer rewards, and add convenience. On the dark side, they carry high interest, hidden charges, and overspending risks. Both sides must be understood before deciding how to use them. A credit card is like fire. It can cook or it can burn. Think about it. The same card that gives you rewards, convenience, and financial flexibility can also trap you in debt if misused. It doesn't change its nature. It reflects yours. When you use it with discipline, it becomes leverage, opening doors, building your credit history, and giving you access to opportunities. But when discipline slips, the very same card turns into a burden, closing doors and pulling you backward. So the truth is simple. The card itself is neutral. It's your habits, your mindset, and your choices that decide whether it becomes your greatest ally or your biggest enemy. That's the real power of a credit card and the responsibility that comes with it. Plastic in your wallet is silent power. Use it with purpose. If this video helped you understand credit cards better, like, share, and subscribe for more practical finance insights.